Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 156. This is going to be a little haphazard because things are changing constantly, and this might not be entirely accurate information by the time you see it. What it is accurate on, no matter what, is that our Dems are fighting. Elia Ramirez has today's Democratic Daily Download. She posted this video when the betrayal bill went back to the House after passing the Senate, explaining all the horrible things in the bill. DNC posted the Daily Blueprint before the Senate was even done voting. So a lot of information in here today isn't accurate anymore. But what is and what will continue to be is Hannah's breakdown of how the Senate Democrats fought back every single step of the way. Yasemin Ansari is doing a full reading of the bill that she's calling Read In for Our Future. It started outside the Capitol, then the weather got bad, and they went inside. Democratic members of Congress are reading the bill. I saw Suhassu Ranyam and Emily Randall and Maxine Dexter, and just Americans who care who are in DC. It's really powerful stuff, and regardless of when I put up this post, you will be able to find it on YouTube. Teresa Leger Fernandez posted this video walking into the Rules Committee hearing as the bill went back to the House. She's in the Rules Committee, and the bill will be too until it goes to the floor either tomorrow or Thursday, unless Republicans change anything. Representatives are introducing different amendments, hoping that this time the answer will be different, because that is our play right now. Robin Kelly is one of many Democrats who headed back to D.C. to reintroduce the same amendment that they introduced the first time the betrayal bill was in the Rules Committee. I believe this amendment is about extending postpartum coverage from 60 days to a year. Angie Craig, as ranking member on the Ag Committee, testified against how dangerous it will be for SNAP to be cut. She ended her testimony saying, "This is one of the worst mistakes anyone who votes yes will make in your political career." Emily Randall also reintroduced an amendment. Before she did that, she went around the Capitol to Republican offices and quoted what they've been saying about this awful bill, especially how much they don't care what will happen to their constituents. And finally, Mark Pocan is getting back to vote on this bill no matter what. His flight from Wisconsin was canceled, so he is driving to Chicago so that he can get on the first flight to DC tomorrow morning. Our Democrats are fighting back. This is not a done deal. Do not obey in advance. Amplify what our Dems are doing and tell everyone you know, especially if you know someone who lives in a Republican district who can call that Republican. It's an all hands on deck moment. If you made it to the end of this post, comment with at least 7 words because that helps the algorithm. And a ruler, because our Democrats are fighting back in the Rules Committee. And if you watched or read any of these posts, comment with what you learned. And a receipt, because we are going to make sure that Republicans never live down what they have said and what they have done, regardless of what happens with this bill in the end. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them. And now we have to use them.